Hello, my name is Robert. I'm from Germany, and right now I'm visiting Tanah in West Sumatra. And I've stayed here for a week, and I will stay for only another 2 weeks. And I just want to talk about the experiences I've made here, the cultural experiences, which have been very special so far. So I don't even know where to start, to be honest. Maybe start with the food because that's what comes to mind first for me. I've been able to taste so much delicious food, and what's very interesting to me is that the food is so different in every village basically. I was able to try some kuetal, and I've been told that it's really just special for one particular village, and in another village they have another special food, and this makes the Indonesian culture, the West Sumatra culture, just so diverse, which I really which really fascinates me. Um, and I got to see so many different aspects of the culture that I couldn't even name them all. Like I've been to a Pachadawi event. I've been able to observe the processing of peanuts, of the way it is traditionally actually processed. I couldn't even tell you about everything. Um, some some other things I want to talk about. How did I even get here? I found out about this place online on the social media, and I noticed the project about a river project, which I wanted to help in with my friend Ronnie, and he lives right next to a river, and the scenery is just beautiful. It overlooks the rice fields, and the river is just yeah, pristine. And so the project that Romy has in mind is about cleaning this river, because many people, they dump the plastic into the river, which pollutes it, which makes it dirty, and we want to change that, or he wants to change it, and I want to help him with that. So what we want to do is to get the plastic out of the river and not just throw it away, but to actually use it, to make use of it. To basically turn it into a different product. So to us, the plastic wouldn't be garbage anymore. It would actually be a meaningful resource. And this is what I like, that is such um, a good project that I want to support. And I hope that many Indonesian people, but also people around the world, would like to join in such kind of projects, so that we can make our planet, our surroundings, a better place. And maybe I want to talk about one more thing related to the culture, because that is just the most interesting thing to me in West Sumatra and during my travels here, and the especially the traditional culture. I've seen a wildlife performance, and it is a traditional dance, and I've seen so many young people participate in it, and that means that this traditional dance is preserved, it is kept alive, and brought to the next generation. And I think this is so very important to keep these kind of traditions alive, because I think in Germany, I don't feel like we have many left. So I can tell you from that perspective that when you don't have many of them left, you wish you would have preserved them, like you're doing right now. So this is I very much admire that about the Indonesian cultures, that traditional culture is. So another difference is between the German culture and Indonesian or West Sumatra culture that I find very interesting. It relates to the people, and when I came here, I mean, I look different than most of the West Sumatra people. I have a different skin color. I'm very tall, so immediately I stick out. I look I look like I don't fit in. I look like I don't belong here. And in the beginning, that's what I thought. Like, I don't belong here. I'm just a guest. But all the people from West Sumatra, from Talatara, but also from the other places, they've always put a smile on their face. They've made me feel welcome. They've invited me for food. And this is a very special way of treating people that are different, that look different. And in Germany, there's I think in many countries around the world, there's big problems with racism. And I mean, I don't think there's any place in the world where it doesn't exist, but it's made me feel very comfortable that I haven't been subject to racism here at all. I've been treated very nice. I've been treated as one of their own, as if I were from West Sumatra. And this has shown me that, you know, being hostile towards other people is not the only thing. It's not the basic human nature. It's maybe more of our society that we have in the West facilitates hostility and racism, but it doesn't have to be like that.